Family Leonardo, me Nasila Don Multimedia, the CEO Voice of Salon. Today I come for talk to now, my family, make una continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to our friends them. As we always try to bring for the latest news what they happen around salon, whether it be politics or any other news them what they happen or gossip what they bring out to now live and direct. So please, my family, don't forget to subscribe and share to our friends them. You wanna touch the bell icon so that you don't miss any video we will try for bring out to now. So that's also we want make una don't forget also for subscribe to we TikTok channel on TikTok and also on Facebook or Facebook page or the Voice of Salon or also the on Instagram Voice of Salon, please family. And don't forget to share. Okay, thank you now. Tata.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listen to this audio. The people in our salon today, now Thursday, December 26, 2024. With me, una humble servant, Piero Samora. The people in our salon today, I get two messages for you again. My first message now to the me people, now for can send a big thank you message to Cherno Ramadan Majuba Elias Cherikoko for the maintain and stand for CC, the legacy of His Excellency, the former President Dr. Ernest Blessing, anointed by Kuruma, not die na we country Mama Salom. And the stand where Cherno Ramadan Majuba Elias Cherikoko stand for uphold the historical Ernest by Kuruma trophy we can play every December, and the final can happen for play either inside Christmas Day or New Year's Day. We go come today for tell Cherno Ramadan Majoba plenty thank you as the 15th edition of the Ernest by Kuruma trophy don't play again yesterday na the Usum field inside Bombali Makeni City. That go be my first message today. My second message today, my people, as we all see, President Bio don't pass embargo on the intending flag bearer of the SLPP for make them not go on with their campaigns. I see some APC people are happy with Ernest Kurumada with President Bioda in this Sunday. And most of these people who say happy they celebrate that. Now people always say then they support Samora Kamara today. We are in waiting President Bio do so. It's not good for democracy. And waiting President Bio do so now for CC it deprive other people from their your rights. Then at the end of the day, because in gain your interest and in want would I for can impose pan the SLPP, now that mission the President Bio pan so it decide for deprive all the intended flag bearers where they go around the country for go familiarize themselves with them people. That go be my second message today. But before I go on with this message today, my people, I want to give a special thank you message to certain group within the social media we affiliate to the APC, where some people don't know. You know, the decision of this group, if some of we for don't follow them yesterday, trust me, we not for don't the usa we did today. Some of them people had the advice with them in the give na the social media yesterday. If Dr. Samora Kamara for don't listen to some of their advices there, we not for don't the usa we did today. Who that na them people na the APC final draft media team. I go one for can tell a big thanks and give a big thanks to the APC Opinyai final draft media team. Right? And today, I'm not going to call all names then, but I'm going to mention some of the admins there. Now the APC final draft media team for tell them plenty thank you. Who that na the number one person who go send this ad out for today? Now Diago, we na one of the senior admin na the APC final draft media team. If I accommodate, I dey go to Amizo, when na me your sweetheart, me your lovey Amizo, na one of the senior admin also na the APC final draft media team. If we accommodate, we go to Success, when na some of the strong women there and admin na the APC final draft media team. We also get Mr. Sanko, we get Adama Bayo, we get Teresa, we get Aisha Kamara, we get Hannah, we get Kinsise, we get Mohammed Central, we get Lady M, and we get Rama Banks. I want to send a special thank you message to una the admins there and the APC final draft media team. Una they do a lot and una they do a marvelously good job for the APC. And I wish una well and I hope una go continue for succeed. I want to tell una thank you, and we will believe in the APC. They follow the structure of the APC. We will continue for tell una the final draft media team plenty thank you. We get so many people in this final draft. We are not able to mention una all names na ya. But you will not are not able to mention a name, make you know say I acknowledge the presence. Once again, I want to send this special thank you message to Diago, Amizo Baby, Success, Anko, Adama Bayo, Teresa, Aisha Kamara, Anna, Kinsey, Mohammed Central, Lady M, and Rama Banks. I want to wish una happy new year in advance. And I wish everything we una the wish for una self, una go achieve inside this 2025 where they can enter. The people in our salon today, as we don't go witness the historical Ernest Kuruma 15 edition trophy yesterday na the Osunfield right inside the City of Light when na Makini City. We want to send a big thank you to the organizers, especially the person where they pour in money every year. He must spend about 500 to then 1 billion for CC organize this Ernest Kuruma trophy every year. When are no lesser person, but the right honorable when honorable Cherno Ramadan Majuba, where we all can call Cherry Coco. The past running mate and the past deputy leader for the All People's Congress 2018 election and the 2023 election. You know, this man, he don't change so many lives then at the APC, especially when it comes to young people. Like, you know, they support people by tribal line. You know, they support people say if he the supporter or not. You know, they change people life. Either he know you in person or not. As soon as you they do well for the APC, anything knock the door of Cherno Ramadan Majuba is ready for response. I know say so many people go can attack me again because this na the young attitude. When they don't use for pay them for can praise people, then don't use for pay them for can talk for people. Any hour, any minute, so other person do that, then go take and say now the same payment itself don't collect. But somebody where they do good deserve our thank you and deserve for we come out and tell and thank you for motivate and for do more. So we they come out today for tell Cherno Ramadan Majuba plenty thank you for the good work. We been get so many prominent personalities then yesterday na the Osunfield. We been get the likes of the West District Chairman for the APC wey na Chairman Manga. We get the East District Chairman wey na Chairman Medke. We get so many former honorables then we been there. Now we miss yesterday and present honorables themselves been there. Now we miss yesterday. We been get the chairman for the Kwenadogo District wey na Dr. SS Mara. And we also been get we own daddy, the 001 for the Northeast region. We na no lesser person, but Chairman Ali Komona we na all sabi. We na the chairman for the Northeast region. We been also get the deputy we na Mr. Ali General, the youth them papa. Himself been there yesterday now we miss. We also get we APC National Secretary General we na lawyer Lansana Dumbuya. As he also represent the entire national executive yesterday for go witness the Ernest Kuruma 15 edition trophy final na the Osunfield inside Makeni City, the city of light and the city of everything. So we want to acknowledge the presence and tell all the we stakeholders them plenty thank you for the move and stand with them continue for give respect to we former chairman and leader of the All People's Congress, APC, and also somebody will change the face of Salo during in 10 years of presidency in our country. Or make we see some of them bloggers there. They come after Cherno Ramadan Majuba, the likes of Uri APC, where every minute, every seconds in phone, it be always they put an alert for call Cherno Ramadan Majuba for him problems there. Way down to this Bobo Salon one yai, where he dey lie to people and say them for go do operation but in yai. During then 10 day, he called Cherno Ramadan Majuba. Cherno Ramadan Majuba sent $850 for an ASEAN help. The thank you we can get Cherno Ramadan Majuba na for can lie pana, na for can blackmailer. ASEAN don't take blackmailing and lie for being in your office for getting sustainer, for getting survival. This now waiting then they do. All of them bloggers then Yahweh they come today for assassinate Cherno Ramadan Majuba. They're all in goodness day today. Now that make any battle way then they put up and they know they succeed. And some of we go continue for put this way. Una don't come and lie and we all. Una don't assassinate with character there. Blackmail we try for present we to the public for be bad people there. Everything una say about some of we if not to go. May God make we continue for shame pa una this one and next one. But if not to go, una just do and because una want for continue for gain relevancy or want for continue for get support from una sponsor or financiers then at the diaspora. The disgrace where they permit una so na the small one. Because the grassroots don't get the awareness, the grassroots don't get sense, and the grassroots don't know say the June 24, 2023 election, it don't do. So anything una they can't tell them and for continue for hold them to hostage and continue for lie to them. So I want to tell the grassroots plenty thank you for where they don't get that awareness from some of we messages and some of them don't they see the reality say there is no possibility again for make them come pull President Bio for put Samora Kamara. I want to tell the grassroots thank you. Samora Kamara in name na social media he don't left. When he go na the grounds, he know the hear anybody talk about that. Anybody actually go tell you say that man may left we, not to somebody we God mark for be leader. Because with all the support where Samora Kamara been don't get from the international community, with all the support where Samora Kamara been don't get from the people of Salom, with all the support where Samora Kamara been get from the APC, Samora Kamara end up for misuse all the opportunity there. I depend the entire nation, including the international community, go get meeting with somebody we killing people and throughout the 5 years. Somebody we mastermind come put ideas together for make them thief the June 24, 2023 election and always stop the it can publicly say na upper court the gear. Samora Kamara ID again go get meeting with that person for make them look that kind of election where the whole world don't condemn. Say make them put and be in there and move on for peace shake. Today we don't accept that peace. We would not accept that unity, make the country go before, make development in the country. But comes 2028, we no go ever produce a flag bearer. We go accept them kind nonsense they are. We no go ever accept a flag bearer, or we no go produce a flag bearer. We go come and do what in Samora Kamara do so for betray the whole world. Right? So una way they cause people and for Samora Kamara, we una na swear they between we. We not say if we not suffer for this man, if we not labor for him, if we not spend we energy with resources for Samora Kamara, today the thank you we can get now for cause we and life away. May God judge this battle between we and una. If everything una they do na the right thing, may God continue for see una. True, may God support una. But una just they do because of malice, hatred. People they finance una for do their rubbish there. Lord, the Lord Almighty Allah, the disgrace, na the small one una they pass so. Una go continue for disgrace. Time go reach when una pull your people and go come and cause una mama there. So we want to tell Cherno Ramadan Majuba, Elias Cherikoko, plenty thank you for this initiative and team up. We continue for so respect to the leadership of the APC, respect to the former President Dr. Ernest Blessing, anointed by Kuruma. The man we make we sabi waiting at development. The man we so Salon people waiting at development. The man we take we away from generator in our country. We want to tell the former president plenty thank you and also Cherno Ramadan Majuba as he always they support this project. Every year he will spend over 1 billion all years for say this trophy here continue and the historic Ernest Kuruma by trophy for make it play every year. We want to tell this young man plenty thank you for that. God no go shame you and God no go disgrace you. We not say if you sweat nothing at them people here, them belle the way they can talk bad about you, that go make them go continue for succeed. But you sweat they pande, you labor they pande, now then go continue for disgrace and the shameness now upon them go continue for further. When you know they support somebody, look at he left amaze other people and supporter. The one we elect support that one day. But today, the Samora cartel, they no one for Yeri but anybody. Any potential person at the party today, then go come and run after. Any potential person come today, then go run after that person. Look at the likes of Dr. Richard Contede. Every day, Dr. Richard Contede names them then at the month. The Dr. Kaifala Marade, the Jagaban, down to Jagaban, we nobody know who's saying pulling money or getting money. This later time now Jagaban we see Samora Kamara cartel bloggers, then they come for don't be back for cause and molest and disrespect her. They not always stop there. Then say Jagaban ungrateful. In which way? Waiting Samora Kamara don't do for Jagaban or waiting the APC don't do for Jagaban. Now Jagaban don't do for the APC and Samora Kamara. So if you not get anything for Cantella like a thank you message, sit down and keep quiet and focus on the bigger way they pan the media. Rather than they come and accuse the young man lie pana out of in your sweat way they spend on a candidate way na Samora Kamara day and night. Right? We want for tell Cherno Ramadan Majuba Elias Cherikoko plenty thank you for uphold the Anes Kuruma by Anes Kuruma trophy, and we hope and pray that nothing will go continue as we don't witness the 15th edition. It's not easy and very challenging. The 10 way this Anes Kuruma trophy start, some people been feel say that first year way them play and now they go stop. When them play the second year, some people feel say now they go stop. When them play the third year, some people feel say now inside the third year it go stop. But from the first year till the 15th edition, now we go witness yesterday. Uda na the brain behind this and financial behind this. Na Cherno Ramadan Majuba Elias Cherikoko. We want for acknowledge the presence and continue play for tell you plenty thank you. The people in Asalo, we see certain APC people and they celebrate and they happy for the decision of President Bio. Wherein we see President Bio ban all the intending flag bearers of the SLPP say they not forget about their campaign. He said that they distracting government. He said that would distract the agenda of the big 5 goals, say feed Salon. I want for tell una the APC people the way they glad for President Bio because of that. I want for tell una say una not democratic. Una message of democracy na una moti dey no dey na una heart. And I want for tell una the APC people and say una not even know wetin them call democracy. And most of them people are way they embrace President Bio and this decision. Now the Dr. Samora Mati Wilson Kamara supporters. Make we all remember in 2017 how many intending flag bearers they come out na the APC. We go tell Anes Kruma say then they come out. Anes Kruma been stopped them, he deprived them because now then democratic right. If this go on with in campaign, that other one you stop her, he go say don't take side and you know let come. Right? With all them 28 people we been there all over the country for meet them people and familiarize themselves with them people. That not be ever distract Anes Kruma in government. And most of them people themselves now been city ministers there. The likes of the Dr. Richard Conte there, the likes of the Kaifala Marade, the John Bono Sise there, the Alpha Khan, the Almami Petito there, the Paolo Conte, and others them. But I no go call their names the all now. They all now been city ministers there now their offices there. But that not ever distract the Anes Kruma in government not for move on. And make we all remember, most of the towns then are the southeast, the district then are the southeast. Now under Anes Kruma in second term, then benefit the most. The likes of the Kenema, the likes of the Kailau, the likes of Kono, the likes of other districts then inside the southeastern region. Now inside Anes Kruma in second term, then benefit the most. So for make them intending flag bearers then go about their young familiarization and for go give respect to their young people, I not believe say that would distract a government way focus. But if we can't see President Bio today, they pass embargo on the flag bearer aspirant then inside the SLPP. Say anybody then catch panda one day, then go suspend the policy or neither then pull another party. He said because you know what make that distract them. I want to tell una way they embrace them decision, then they say that decision they not correct and wrong. From way President Bio in government sit down in 2018. Una saw me waiting President Bio don't do for Sierra Leone where Salone people go celebrate or happy for today. Now this die minute where the flag bearer aspirant then they familiarize themselves with them people inside the SLPP. Now the 10 President Bio go say them people want distract in government. President Bio ye count free education, you know able succeed. Would that distract you? He count he feeds the schools there. He say they feed the school picking there. You know able achieve. Would that distract you? He say go sew uniform for them. You know able achiever. Would that distract you? He say go buy bags for them. Would that distract you? All length then you failed. He meet a one bag rest 180 to 185. Today with a ban 1 million. He failed that one. They would that distract you, President Bio. President Bio emit $700,000. Today with the change $2,400,000 and so. Would that distract you for failed Salone people in that level? Emit 1 liter fuel 6,000. Today with they buy 1 liter fuel 30, 35,000, 40,000 in some areas of the country. Would that distract the government for failed Salone people in their areas? Right? So for make the flag bearer aspirant then go about the young campaign, when at the time this way then people then go benefit from them. Because any community or village or district or region then go, they must leave small thing for the SLPP people at this moment. Where these people yourself go take care of their families there. Now today, President Bio in greediness in dictatorship, he dey work with her inside the SLPP now because in getting your agenda, he already don't identify somebody we want for can impose on the SLPP people. This not good for democracy and this not the help a political party. So I want to tell the SLPP family say President Bio no let una they continue for deprive una from una own democratic right. Because President Bio in Uma and this decision where President Bio in Uma takes so where President Bio takes so now in where Fatima Bio na in tell her for take this decision my people. This decision where President Bio takes so now in wave tell them because President Bio they identify KKY Kande Yunkela for be the flag bearer of the SLPP. Why they identify David Moina Shenge for be running mate to run? We are in Fatima Bio in and David Moina Shenge. No, they see one side again. Then two not get peace. They not get the same ideology and they not get the same agenda. Today Fatima Bio and David Moina Shenge don't become petrol and fire inside the SLPP. Now, because of David Moina Shenge now, Fatima Bio prefer for give instruction for make President Bio stop all the intending flag bearer aspirant then not for go about not to make everybody sit down. But you sit down and ask yourself, how many of them flag bearer aspirant then are ministers then are the SLPP? Waiting that get for distract from President Bio in government. Waiting that go stop President Bio in government not for succeed. President Bio have many intentions that you don't carry within the country since 2018 we no able to achieve it fail. And because of the feed Salone project, he say because of the government focus on that. But if the flag bearer aspirant then they go about their movement, that go distract the government and that go count disunity in the SLPP. No. President Bio flag bearer race, you no go count anything. You go count disunity, but at the end of the day, when I go sit down at the round table, no matter how you do them, either you go appoint somebody tomorrow or when I go do them by election, some people go must feel deprived or vexed at the end of the day when I get for call them big then talk to them in the interest of una party. So why they deprive people from their democratic right? Why they deprive people because you hold power today? Why they deprive people and because God put in at the leadership of the SLPP today. The people are the right for go about the 16 political district and familiarize themselves with them people. On that note, I go on for continue for tell the APC final draft media team plenty thank you, Cherno Ramadan Majuba plenty thank you, and una way they celebrate President Bio in that decision for make una know say na the wrong step he take and na the wrong support una dey bangia. This na me message. Una listen and help me share